My dear children, welcome to the Business Studies class. Today, in this first session, we are going to study the various problems faced by small-scale industry. Small-scale enterprises exist in every country of the world. But in a developing country like India, the small-scale sector occupies a special place in the industrial structure. They provide better opportunities for generating employment, for better utilization of local resources, for wide dispersal of industries and for resources. And in the view of the potential of small business, the Government of India is committed to the growth of the small sector in the country. The various functions of the management are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. These functions are common to both. The owner manager of a small firm requires all the qualities of a good manager. However, the scale on which these functions are performed and the degree of complexity are lower. The organization structure of small-scale unit is very simple due to few employees and lack of specialization. The owner himself acts as the manager and can exercise personal control. As the business grows, the owner finds it difficult to manage the firm efficiently. He has to employ expert manager to carry on the diverse activities of the enterprises. Even among small enterprises who have managed to succeed by their wit while their business were within the compass of one-man control, the weakness in management have come to light and proved crucial when the business grew to a structure that they required some recognition of departmental organization and discipline. In fact, the lack of skilled personnel has been an important hurdle in the development of the small-scale business. Now we are going to study the important problems of small-scale business. The first important problem is shortage of raw materials. There is an acute shortage of basic raw materials required by small-scale units. These units are under the handicap in obtaining raw materials of requisite quality at reasonable prices. They cannot afford to buy the materials in bulk due to the lack of adequate funds and shortage facilities and storage facilities. For instance, the handloom industry is facing shortage of yarn. Then small-scale industries are also face shortage of power due to which they are unable to make full utilization of plant capacity. The majority of them cannot afford to install their own power generating sets to ensure uninterrupted operations. Then second important function is lack of adequate funds. All business firms require sufficient fund to meet their capital and fixed capital and working capital requirements. The capital requirements of the company can be divided into two. They are fixed working capital requirements and working capital requirements. Small-scale units are often unable to procure the adequate financial resources for the purchase of machinery, for the purchase of equipments and raw materials, and for meeting day-to-day expenses. On account of their low goodwill and little fixed investment, they find it difficult to borrow money at reasonable prices or reasonable interest. Credit facilities for small-scale firms are inadequate and they have to depend largely on the internal sources. Sometimes the small firms have to close down or curtail their operations due to the shortage of funds. And another important drawback or another important problem faced by small scale industry is outdated technology. Then the majority of the small scale units use old techniques and outdated machinery and equipment. They cannot afford new machines, and new machines cost and equipment, and therefore not in a position to use the latest techniques of the production. Inadequate marketing facilities are another important problem faced by the small scale industry. Then small scale units have to face several difficulties in the marketing and distribution of their products. Most of them, they do not have their own marketing network. They find it difficult to deal their products or deal their outputs at remunerative prices due to higher cost of the production and non-standardized quality of the products. Weak organization and management is another problem faced by small scale industry. Small scale firms are generally managed by the owner, who very often does not possess the skills required for the efficient management of the enterprises. There is a lack of proper division of work, and benefits of the specialization are not available. Some owner managers are not very interested to adopt modern techniques of the organization and management. Industrial sickness is the widespread in the small scale sector. The lack of trained personnel is another important problem faced by small scale industry. There is a lack of small entrepreneurs who possess both motivation and competence to make the project viable and successful. The small scale firms find it difficult to recruit or retain and motivate the skilled managerial and technical personnel, as they look for better opportunities to motivate the skilled managerial and technical person, as they look for better opportunities in the large scale industries. Small scale firms also face the competition from the large scale sector and multinational corporations. They have to suffer when there is a recession in the organized sector which buys their products. In fact, the small scale industries, they face the problems at every stage of their operations, whether it is buying of raw materials, manufacture of products, marketing of goods, or raising of finance. These industries are not in a position to secure the internal and external economies of the scale. Lack of trained personnel, weak organization and management, inadequate marketing facilities, lack of ownership, outdated technology, lack of adequate finance, and shortage of materials and power. These are the important problems faced by small scale industry. Thank you.